Hi, I'm Tina Bennett, and I'm here to talk to you about the benefits of joining Ecourt Coach. Ecourt Coach was established in 2020 to be a resource for parents going through a divorce or a family court matter. We have found that there isn't one location on the internet where a parent can go to have all of their questions answered. One of the questions that comes up a lot, can I get court-ordered supervision for parenting time? Supervised parenting time is most often ordered when there is a neglect, abuse, or domestic violence alleged by one parent, or if a parent hasn't had contact with his or her child for an extended period of time. If supervision is required of a parent to have parenting time with his or her child, the court will require a relative to supervise, and if there isn't a relative to supervise, a third party. If there isn't a suitable third party, the courts will then turn to a paid provider. So, eCourt Coach recognizes that there aren't enough organizations or suitable parents or third parties to provide supervision. Because of the lack of resources for parents to be supervised, a child will be denied access to one parent until a supervisor can be found. These delays and could extend what was thought to be a temporary situation between a child and a parent. Based upon our collective experiences dealing with the court's goal is to return to normalcy between a parent and a child. Sometimes the acts committed by a parent are so egregious that supervision may be permanent. Again, supervision is specifically required based upon a parent's particular situation. As an eCourt Coach member, you will have access to local supervisors that include active and retired law enforcement, therapeutic providers, attorneys, and others that have been thoroughly screened and insured by eCourt Coach consultants to provide the utmost safety for your child, as well as provide any necessary documents for court. Unlike other supervised visitation providers, eCourt Coach supervisors are not afraid to testify in court. Payment for supervisors range, and at eCourt Coach, we're always seeking funding to defray the costs of supervision for parents in need. So please visit our site at ecourtcoachconsultants.com for more information. We look forward to working with you.